welcome back to my channel, Cat Natural. Okay, why am I singing? Why? I don't know, but this is my show. Still wearing my hair. I will link it down below. Thanks to the products that I use by Honey's Handsmade. Hey, Honey's Handsmade, hello. Valentine's Day collection, duh. I use those products and my hair is still looking nice. Like, what, sis? So I'm back, guys, because simply what I am doing today is something a little bit different. Although I have on mascara, although I would not recommend you to do exactly what I'm doing right now, which is apply some lashes. Hey! So I had some lashes laying around, guys, and they're clustered. They're the clustered lashes. They're like 3 lashes onto one. So I figured, you know what? Let me just hop on here really quick and show you guys. Well, just do my lashes for the first time individually with y'all. I don't even have the proper tools. I just have some rinky-dink regular tweezers here, although these are not the right tweezers to have. They recommend, when I mean by they, like, you know, other YouTubers or professionals would recommend that you use like the really skinny tweezers, which I will post a picture somewhere around here or whatever. I don't know, but I will post a picture somewhere so you will see the proper tools to have. I will link everything. I will link the proper items to use down below in my description box. But yeah, so I'm just working with what I have, and what I have is what I have, and I'm going to use what you got. Use what you got, okay? That's what you do. All right, okay, guys, like for real. So what I'm going to do is simply apply these clusters to my eyes. Glue that I am going to use is, of course, bonding glue. You guys know it. I'm not even sure how I'm going to get this bonding glue out, to be honest with you, because at the top layer it is dry.
Alrighty, guys, so what I'm simply going to do is wipe off my mascara with some facial wipes there. I would highly recommend you just simply wash your face entirely, but the wipes were convenient. Okie doke, so I'm going to start with short. I'm going to start with short in the middle part. Not middle, in the beginning, like in the inner part of my eyes. I'm going to dip the cluster there in some bonding glue and then start in the most inner part of my eye, apply it there, and just fan my eyes, because I did not know that the bonding glue was going to make my eyes watery, which is duh, because it's glue. So again, you're going to take the short or the smallest piece of the lashes and apply it to the inner parts of your eye. And then the medium, you're going to apply that to the middle part of your eyelash. And then the long and black, you're going to add that to the end. That's what I simply did. And yeah, it's actually quite easy. I have a different angle there for you because I figured that would be much more convenient for you guys. Once I apply the lash on there, I use the butt end of my tweezers and just make sure that it's secured on there. But yeah, it's actually quite easy, guys, and I'm just going to repeat that until my whole lashes is pretty much fulfilled to my liking. And I'm going to dance a little bit too. Yeah.
I tried.
Sorry for the side view angle, guys, but I'm simply inspecting everything to see if it's okay or if I need to add more.
Alright, guys, so this is it. this is it. I think this is it. Like, I did it. Look at it. Okay. Alright. Okay. So this was my first eye that I tried, of course, and this is my second one. Of course, there's always going to be one eye better than the other, and obviously it's this one. Nonetheless, I've learned a lot from this. I'm just gonna be honest with you guys. This is my very, very first time trying this. I have glue literally all over my hands. It's ridiculous. But nonetheless. Oh no. My ring broke. Oh no. I guess it worked. Oh well, so I have 2 rings left now. Alright, so nonetheless, guys, next time when I do this, I will do things a little bit differently. But I love this one. Like, look at that. Ooh. And then look at this. I tried. It doesn't even have like the numbers because I bought these from like a beauty supply store a long time ago. So I can't even tell you guys like what brand to get. But yes. I mean, the first try on this eye, it was a struggle, but then when I got to this eye, I literally was just popping them on like pop, 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 pop. I was getting it. You hear me? Like, I was getting it. I did that. I would probably do this again, just that the clusters are time consuming, and I don't know, like, if I have time on my hands, which I do, I would do it more often. However, like, it's so much easier to just put like the falsies on. Like, it's so much easier to put the strip on and just go, you know what I mean? Like, just go. But with this, it is time consuming. Like, I literally timed myself this whole time and it took me like an hour and 30 minutes. Not even joking. Literally an hour, guys, an hour and 30 minutes. So comment down below, let me know. Like, don't be too mean, okay? Don't be too mean, don't be too hard on me. People trying, not people, by the way, but people is trying, and I just feel like it's cool for now. I would definitely do a better job next time, but for my first time, I think I did pretty good. My next time I'm going to actually get numbers versus, like, for instance, this one says long and black. Short and black. I have quite a few of these. So basically what I was doing was applying like the short ones on the inner of my lashes, and then I have medium black, and then the medium I apply to the middle of my lashes. And then, of course, the long and black. You know what? Let me just stop. Okay, so the long and black I apply to the very outer of my eyelashes there. So it gives me that wisp look, if that makes sense. Like, that kind of like semi-natural, if that make any type of sense. But you guys already know I'm super extra. I like mine to be pow, wham. I like mine to be like off the chain, and it's not that. It's giving me more so like, hi, how are you kind of look, you know? But that's okay. It's very subtle. It's very cute. I like it for now. I'm going to see how long they last. I don't know how long these are going to last. Today is the 18th of February, so we're gonna see. All right, guys. But anyway, like I said before, thank you all so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment down below. I love you all, and bye.